Sai Yai Waterfall falling into the Kwai River here in northwestern Thailand by the Myanmar border. The Sai Yai River, boat coming down here in the national park. Waterfall jostles over the rocks, falling gently into the river directly. You can see the jungle surrounding here. Beautiful area. Here you have Sai Yai Waterfall falling into the jungle here in the national park. This is a big tourist attraction, so you can see the lodgings on the river, literally river houses, floating houses. But it's just beautiful. You see the jungle surrounding the falls.